Hi guys, welcome back to Pots, Pans, and Love. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys a simple recipe how I boost my dishwashing liquid. So I have here a plastic bottle. Now you guys could use an old dishwashing liquid bottle that you guys get from the store. I have a measuring cup, I believe 1/3 cup, some distilled white vinegar, okay, and your choice of dish detergent. Okay, so the recipe is 1 part dish detergent. Now what the detergent will do, it will help cut grease, and 1 part white distilled vinegar. I believe you can also use apple cider vinegar. That will work too. So 1 part. Okay, so what the vinegar does, it helps disinfect and clean dishes. Then 3 parts water. Now this is going to help extend the dishwashing liquid. Okay, so now if this is a bigger bottle, all you have to do is just double the measurements. 2 part dishwashing detergent, 2 part vinegar, and 6 parts water. Okay, so 3 parts water. Just go ahead and pour in the bottle just like that and give it a good shake. Guys, if you guys enjoy these type of video contents, please hit that like and subscribe button. And also, if you guys want to share any other tips and tricks for any recipes you guys have for cleaning, please let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. And there you go, guys. Here is the simple recipe to boost and double your dishwashing liquid soap. All right, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.